CISCOMPAS. Honest Campus rules!
Okay, these are the lifts at this car park, but we aren't. But we found another lift. Let's go into this. Go see what lifts are here. Oh, scooter. And that's the access to the lift via the ramp. Up there you've got the lift. We aren't going here. Where we are going is, and wait, oh, and it's KONE. Wow, I just can't believe that lift is an 80s KONE. Sadly, you can't ride it. Disappointing. So let's ride these lifts instead. 90 Schindlers. Oh, next lift. What, 7? Oh, KONE maintenance. Oh, these lifts only go 1 meter a second. Here we are on level 7. This car park 7. I know these are private car parking. Now let's get down. And that's the parking to let up there. And the lifts don't stop here. And the lift doesn't stop here either. So let's get back in and go back down to 1. Up this way. They should have the goods left though. Oh, the indicators don't work. Let's check. Let's check 3, 2, and then. Yeah, this is car park 3. Let's see. Oh, indicator still doesn't work. Oh, what was that? Indicator. Oh, the indicator does work. Oh, yeah, the indicator did work. And yeah, the goods lift was an 80s KONE. Maybe these lifts used to be more nice. And there's Mr. Security. Anyway, so indicator doesn't work. Oh, well, that's it. Oh.
Okay, look at this, y'all. I filmed this at Bank 27 and look, they now got modded. I'm actually glad I stored the footage from 2017 because they've now been modernized. Oh dear. Oh well, I've seen that okay before. This is terrible. These used to be some MCs and now they've been modded. Oh dear, it's not focusing either. This is terrible. Absolutely terrible. 9 occasions all phone in persons. We are 7. Now let's take a look outside. Oh, nasty shit. And that's your animation. Let's go to 1. Oh, nice. Love a yellow Dewhurst. No, we do not. And it's hard to see because the camera doesn't focus. Oh no, security's watching. Yeah, well, let's see what happened to the lifts inside. And here it is. Yeah, here it is. Oh, there's still only got some pre-door in it. Except here. So, let's see what happens to the others.